Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to log out from X on PC. To get started, log into your X account. Here, you are going to click on the three dots at the bottom next to the username. After that, click on Logout next to the profile name. Confirm this by clicking Logout. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.